Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to your Revolut account. It's quite easy. I'm going to show you step by step. Just open up the Revolut application, then go to the home page. On the home page, you will see this plus button saying add money. You just have to tap on it. And here you can choose between many different options to add money to your account. You can basically add it with a debit card that you give access to, and it's going to be just like a regular online payment, and the money is going to arrive into your Revolut account. You can use Apple Pay. You can use bank transfers, easy bank transfers, regular bank transfers, and obviously you can move around your money inside the Revolut application as well. Here you can choose the currency that you would like to use, would like to add to your account, and yeah, it's quite easy. If this video was helpful for you, consider sending a super thanks donation.